My feet to reach that song where our emotions blur into different shapes and forms. On Ocean Drive, Miami Beach, we call it paradise, so the only place that we need. Skip the Monday and Tuesday ride, I wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. Keep us dancing all through the night, wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. Let's wrap it up, accelerate, 'cause working 9 to 5, it won't make us celebrate. A beating drum under the sun. Let's catch a wave and take a trip to higher grounds. Skip the Monday and Tuesday ride, I wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. Keep us dancing all through the night, wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. When I feel low, you get me high, so high, so high. When I've been skunked, you make it shine, so bright, so bright. When I feel low, you get me high, so high, so high. I just want that weekend vibe. Keep us dancing all through the night, wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Push your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. Keep us dancing all through the night, wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Push your body and feel alright, 'cause we just wanna have weekend vibes.
Let's learn Weekend Vibes. It's choreographed by Karl, Winson, and Barnfield. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 4 and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, and then we're going to go through and do 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Weekend Vibes. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks back, stepping back right, step back left. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, and as you do that, you're going to sway your hip to the left, sway your hip to the right, and then we're going to do a left coaster step with a cross, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left foot slightly over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do diagonal shuffle with the right and the left. So you're going to step your right foot forward slightly into that right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and next to your right and step forward with your right. You're now going to do it slightly into the left diagonal, stepping your left foot into that left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and next to your left and then step forward with your left foot. We're now going to do a 3/4 walk around, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your right foot to face about 9 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face about 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. When you step forward with the left, open your hips up to the left, because it will allow for a smoother transition into the next section. Now there are some hand motions. If you would like to, on your shuffles, you can do like Saturday Night Fever fingers on your shuffles. So you can do your pointing forward and you'll do like up and down fingers as you do your shuffles. Again, they're optional. It does make it a little bit fun, so feel free to add it in as you do it. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our coaster cross. You're doing your shuffle into the right and left diagonal. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross rock our right over our left. Recover back onto your left foot and chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right. Recover back onto your right foot and chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. So let's try it with some counts. Cross rock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box with a hip push. So we're going to cross our right over our left. As we step back with your left, you're going to push your hips back. So really stepping into and leaning into that step back. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to step your left foot slightly forward. You're now going to point your right toe to the right side, touch your right toe forward, touch your right toe back, and then kick your right foot low and forward, and you're ready to start the dance over again with your step back. So let's try that with some counts, doing your jazz box crossing over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walks back. It's back, back, coaster, step, sway, sway, coaster, cross right diagonal shuffle, left diagonal shuffle, 3/4 walk around. Now your cross rock chasse, cross rock, chasse, cross rock, chasse, jazz box with a push. Now your point, side, forward, back, kick. And then you're ready to step back. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags. The tag is the same exact thing, 4 walls, 4 and 6. The first time you do it will be the first time we come back to the front wall, and then the next time you do it will be the second time that we're doing the back wall. So it's the second time with the front, second time onto the back wall. All you're going to do is a reverse rocking chair. So you're going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and then you would start the dance all over again with your walk back. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just kicked forward. You're doing your reverse rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, then we would go back, back, coaster, step. The same exact tag is going to happen when you get to the back wall after completing wall 6, which will be your 3 o'clock wall. Before you start wall 7, you're going to add on that reverse rocking chair tag. The music is going to sound exactly the same when you're doing both tags. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk back. It's back, back, coaster, step, sway, sway, coaster, cross, right shuffle, left shuffle, 3/4 walk, 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 cross rock, chasse, cross rock, chasse, jazz box with a push, and your point, side, forward, back kick, walk back, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk back, back, coaster, step, sway, sway, coaster, cross, right shuffle, left shuffle, now your 3/4 walk, cross rock, chasse, cross rock, chasse, jazz box with a push, now your point, side, forward, back, kick, walk back, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, add on your tag, rock back, recover, rock forward, walk it back, 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 coaster, step, sway, sway, coaster, cross, right shuffle, left shuffle, 3/4 walk around, cross rock chasse, cross rock chasse. Now your jazz box with a push, and your point, side, forward, back, kick. This will be your last tag wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back, 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 coaster, step, sway, sway, coaster, cross. Right shuffle, left shuffle, 3/4 walk around, cross rock chasse, cross rock chasse, jazz box with a push. Now your point, side, forward, back, kick. And then you'll keep dancing around. Your final wall will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. You'll end facing the front with your kick. All I do is step back and do a little bit of a sit with a knee pop, and you'll be facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about changing walls. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn weekend vibes. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
My feet to reach that song where our emotions blur into different shapes and forms. On Ocean Drive, Miami Beach, we call it paradise, so the only place that we need. Skip the Monday and Tuesday ride, I wanna stay in my